Hey guys, B&Jforyou here. Hopefully everything is going very well in your life. We can't wait to share with you guys our new ideas and videos.
Today we're gonna be revealing one of the most amazing street magic tricks ever. And by the way guys, let us know in the comments what kind of video you like to watch next. We're gonna be reading them. Hope you guys enjoy this one.
See ya.
First, we're gonna cut the plastic bag to the size of the magazine. Next, with the double-sided tape, we're gonna seal the plastic bag as shown in the picture. And finally, we're gonna hide our plastic bag between two pages of the magazine. You can use the double-sided tape to do so. If you want to see more videos like this, make sure you subscribe. Also, if you enjoyed the video, give us a like, as well as follow us on our social media if you want to get some updates. See you guys next time.
Hey guys, B&J here. Mi chamba. Blooper, blooper, papá. Mi chamba. Come